Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some shapes. Heart, rectangle, circle, square, triangle. Let's learn some colors. Red color, blue color, dark green color, pink color, maroon color, red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue color, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dark green color, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Pink color, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Maroon color, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Red color heart, blue color rectangle, green color circle, pink color square, maroon color triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Subscribe.